Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today we present you 50 beautiful retro historical photos. We hope you will appreciate our work. Write your comment and click the subscribe button. Enjoy the show, and here we go. The inimitable Mamie Van Doren, 1951. July 1941. Roughhousing at 4th of July picnic, Vail, Oregon. Mess with the boys of the Baker Motorcycle Club at your peril. July 1941. Store with cap, guns, and fireworks for sale, 4th of July, Vail, Oregon. July 1941. Motorcycle racers, 4th of July, Vail, Oregon. Members of the Baker Motorcycle Club. New York, 1932. 60 Wall Tower, 70 Pine Street. The former city service building. At 67 stories, the world's third tallest structure when completed in 1932. Now a residential tower with units renting from $2,500 to $7,000 a month. Washington, D.C., 1939. A view of backyards of apartment houses where both white and Negro families are living. July 1941. Gas station. Chicago, Illinois. July 1941. Parking lot. Chicago, Illinois. This is what you call being in a tight spot. November 1938. Public Works Administration Housing Project. Logan Fontanelle Homes for Negro Families. Omaha, Nebraska. November 1938. Apartment houses with no rear windows. Omaha, Nebraska. December 1941. Junk men with waste paper. New York City. December 1941. Merchant seamen at National Maritime Union Hiring Hall, New York City. Suite Marilyn Monroe, 1950. January 1942. Flying model airplane. Farm Security Administration Camp at Robstown, Texas. October 1941. Skyline of Midtown Manhattan from Radio City, Rockefeller Center. July 1938. Workers' homes with steel plant along Monongahela River in background. Duquesne, Pennsylvania. July 1938. Looking north. Monongahela River, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. July 1938. Steel worker at rolling mill. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. October 1939. George and Hugh Clark with hybrid seed corn. Grundy County, Iowa. October 1939. Georgetown, Colorado. Ghost mining town. June 1940. General Store, Pie Town, New Mexico. August 1940. Mormon farm family. Snowville, Utah. August 1940. Wife of Mormon farmer with canned goods. Snowville, Utah. August 1940. Daughter of Mormon farmer putting away dishes in kitchen cabinet. Box Elder County, Utah. August 1940. Daughter of Mormon farmer sweeping up the kitchen. Snowville, Utah. September 1940. Ouray, Colorado. Store building. Ouray is the center of a gold mining region and is developing as a tourist center. September 1940. Montrose, Colorado. Old Bank. And Shiteria. September 1940. Entrance to abandoned theater. Silverton, Colorado. November 1938. Morning mail at the Mineral King Cooperative Farm, Farm Security Administration, Tulare County, California. Old ranch house, California type, in the background. Buildings will be replaced by modern structures suitable to community farming. October 1939. Georgetown, Colorado, an old mining town in the mountains. December 1940. Radford, Virginia. Hercules powder plant employee going upstairs. Mrs. Pritchard's boarding house. 18 men board here. June 1941. Flag Day. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. August 1962. New York. The George Washington Bridge with its good neighbor the Little Red Lighthouse. The Jeffries Hook Light on the Hudson River. Circa 1865. Mirror Lake, Yosemite Valley, albumen silver print. Carlton Watkins, 1829 to 1916, an early photographer of Yosemite, captured this pristine view of Mirror Lake while most of the country was engaged in the Civil War. One of the best landscape photographers of the 19th century, Watkins used the cumbersome, demanding technology of his era, which required circa 1900. Elizabeth Felix with Paperwhites, Clarence White's sister-in-law holding daffodils. Gelatin silver print by Clarence H. White, 1871 to 1925. Charming Mamie Van Doren, 1956. Yale Varsity 4 at Boathouse, 1913. As for whatever the coxswain is calling out, you can fill in the blanks in the comments below. May 1918. Paris, France. Kitchen of restaurant. American Hostel for Refugees Accueil Franco-Américain aux Refugees Belges et Français. Supported by the American Red Cross. 1914. Street railway scene. Business district of Rockford, Illinois. Washington, D.C., circa 1901. View of East Street SW, north side, looking east from Delaware Avenue, showing a grocery store on the corner. Washington, D.C., circa 1901. View of F Street NW, north side between 12th 13th, showing various businesses. Washington, D.C., 1901. View of 13th Street Northwest, west side, looking south from H Street. One-stop shopping for all your cooking and heating needs, as well as a trifecta of sidewalk bread lockers. September 1901. Washington, D.C. View of G Street NW, north side on right, looking west from 13th Street. Washington, D.C., circa 1901. View of 12th Street northwest, west side, from near G Street. Merchants and tenants seen here include Morton C. Stout, Taylor, at the corner of 12th and F, a dealer in sundries and bedding, a hardware emporium whose name we can't quite make out. Washington, D.C., circa 1901. View of unidentified street showing child chasing horse and buggy. Washington, D.C., circa 1901. Businesses on F Street NW, north side, between 12th-13th Streets, numbers 1201 to 1219. New Orleans circa 1907. Canal Street. Center Stage. A streetcar named Britannia. Washington, D.C., circa 1901. Aerial view over row houses from Old Providence Hospital, showing East Street, Heckman Street, now Duddington Place, and F Street SE between 1st and 2nd. Chicago circa 1917. Rest period. Elizabeth McCormick Open Air School No. 2, on roof of Hull House Boys Club. Or possibly, nap time on the set of The Seventh Seal. Bonus photo for you, a beautiful retro woman. Stunning Anita Ekberg, 1959. This is the end of our performance. We hope you enjoyed it and appreciate our work. See you in the next performance. Have a good day.